June 1944, Normandy. As Allied troops stormed the beaches, one weapon terrified them more than any other: the MG-42. Capable of firing 1,200 rounds per minute, it became one of the deadliest weapons of the war. Why it was needed. Before the MG-42, the German army relied on the MG-34. It was powerful, but production was painfully slow and expensive. MG-34 could produce 150 units per hour to manufacture. In the fast-moving war, that simply wasn't enough. During Operation Barbarossa, with millions of soldiers deployed, Germany needed a machine gun that could be mass-produced quickly and cheaply. Production process. In 1941, German engineers began working on a replacement. The solution? Stamped steel parts instead of complex machining. This innovation cut production time in half, from 75 per hour up to 150 per hour. The design was pioneered by the Grossfuss company and later mass-produced by firms like Mauser and Rheinmetall. Between 1942 and 1945, around 400,000 MG-42s were produced. Battlefield impact. The MG-42's fire rate, up to 1,200 rounds per minute, was unmatched. Allied soldiers nicknamed it Hitler's buzzsaw because of its terrifying sound. It became the backbone of German infantry squads: one gunner, one loader, and several soldiers carrying ammunition. Facing an MG-42 was one of the Allies' worst nightmares. Legacy. Even after the war, the MG-42 lived on. Its design directly inspired the MG-3, which many NATO armies still use today. Few weapons in history have remained this influential for so long. The MG-42 wasn't just a machine gun. It was a weapon that shaped the course of battles and inspired generations of military design. Or, if you're friends, one of you seamsumptually was your Franisstaff, the gun that truly changed the sound of war.